everyone. So glad you're here. We are talking about gratitude, the secret to manifesting more. Did you know that the more gratitude that you express, the more gratitude that you send out and put out into the world, the more goodness and kindness and love and joy and prosperity that you receive? If you're able to be grateful and express gratitude and be thankful for what you already have, what you already see, what's already in your world, then God is able to open that up. The universe, the cosmos, is able to open that up and to bring you more. We learned from our previous sessions that what you focus on expands. And so if you concentrate and focus more on gratitude, then the more goodness and love and abundance and prosperity and wealth and good health and joy and inner peace you receive on the inside. There's so many benefits to gratitude, so many benefits. And so healing and wholeness are benefits of gratitude, right? What happens? So faith opens the door to healing, but it's our gratitude that opens the door to wholeness. You remember the lepers in the story with Jesus in Luke 17 and 15. And so only one leper returned to tell Jesus thank you. Only one. And what did Jesus say? Jesus said, because you have expressed gratitude, because you came back to thank me, because you've done this, now you will be made whole. Now go and tell everybody. Don't you want to? Go tell everybody. All right? So if you want complete healing, we don't want to just be healed from the headache, right? We want to know what's causing the headache. We want to be made whole, right? We don't just take acetaminophen or take an aspirin and then just get rid of the headache. No, we want to know from the doctor. We want to know if we have migraines, if we have allergies that are causing it, a heart attack or aneurysm or stroke or whatever it might be that's causing it, a blood clot or a tumor or cyst, whatever it might be. And so because we want to be made whole. So when you begin to express gratitude and thank God instead of being upset about the headache, then we begin to express gratitude. Thank you for the headache showing up. Thank you for the lesson that I'm supposed to learn out of this. Thank you for what this headache might be showing me. And I'm just using this as an example, right? Because we're grateful for everything that happens in our lives. Everything. And yes, we have bad days. Yes, not everything goes right. But the more days that you can practice and expand your gratitude, then the more opportunity the universe, God, the cosmos has to come into your life and to expand that gratitude, to expand the goodness that you're focusing on, to give you more goodness, more love, more peace, more abundance, more joy. All right? And so, next benefit, it can change your emotions. It helps to change your emotions. So if you're having a bad day, things aren't going necessarily the way that you want them to go, then if you begin to concentrate not on what the person said or what they did or what they didn't do right, or you're mad at them, whatever it may be, if you're able to focus on gratitude, being grateful for what you already have, what you already see, then God can do so much more. God can take that gratitude and can expand and help you to shift yourself before you even know it. You shift yourself, you change your emotions, you've moved right on out of that bad, funk of a day or attitude or spirit that you were in, or emotion that you were in before. You know what? If you begin to say, thank you, God, for the day. Thank you for the sky. Thank you for the sea. Thank you for my eyes. Thank you for everything. Thank you for my dress, for my necklace, for my earrings. Thank you for my crazy hair. Thank you, God. As you begin to say that, then you're smiling. You're smiling. You're happy. You're laughing. And it just begins with one shift in your thoughts, one shift in your attitude, one small shift, and that can take you into gratitude, peace, joy, happiness. Hmm. And so, how do we do that? How do we have an attitude of gratitude? Well, we can journal, right? We can write it down. We can take our journal and we can write down the things that we are grateful for. This is my binder, right? It's Nicole Miller. I got it from Office Depot. Really nice. And so we can practice an attitude of gratitude. We write down 3 things that we're grateful for. Well, I'm grateful for a pen. You know, you can have 3 things you're grateful for. I'm grateful to have a pen to write with. I'm grateful to have a binder. I'm grateful for this beautiful paper that I have. Beautiful paper. Thank you, God, for that. Right? So you got something to be grateful for. You're grateful for your eyes. You're grateful for your nose. You're grateful for your ears. You're grateful for your children, for your hubby. You have something to be grateful for. You're grateful for your significant other, for your co-workers. Thank you for your car, your house, for your feet, for your bike. You got something to be grateful for. Not only that, we're making a gratitude list, but we want to expand our gratitude as much as we can, right? Expand it. So maybe you start out 2 seconds. Maybe you start out writing it down. Maybe you start out saying what you're grateful for while you're washing your hands or while you're putting in something in the microwave to warm up for breakfast or lunch or dinner. Maybe you are expressing gratitude while you're making your morning coffee or having your morning run or your morning walk or your morning drive to work. You're listing the things that you're grateful for as you see things on the street, right? And you expand it. And so then a moment turns into, right? It turns into an hour turns into a day turns into a week, and then a week turns into months, and then months turn into years, and before you know it, you have a lifestyle, a habit, an attitude of gratitude all of the time, and it's how you live your life. And I promise you, if you will do that, you will see more goodness in your life. You will see more goodness. Being able to speak gratitude out, telling the people around you that you're grateful for them. The other day, I was talking to the mail person and the mail carrier, and I was telling him, I was saying, hey, I don't get those sales papers anymore from like Kroger and all these different places. I don't get my sales papers anymore. What happened? You know, I don't get those, circulars anymore. And so he was like, well, I get these. This is just an example. So I didn't get those circulars anymore from Kroger and different places. And I was saying, hey, what happened? And he said, oh, well, they're cutting down. We don't even receive as many as we used to receive. And he said, let me check and see if I have any in here for you. Maybe I got some extra ones, but they only give us just a few now. And I said, okay, thank you for doing that. I appreciate you. And I said, and I thank you for taking your time. I know you're busy. You've got a schedule to keep. I thank you so much for taking your time to talk with me today. And he said, you're welcome. That meant a lot to him. So the people in your life maybe that are invisible, the teacher, right? Your kids' teachers, your own teachers, if you're still in college like me, working on your master's degree, your hubby. Thank you. Thank you for my hubby, for being so kind and so loving and so good to me. Thank you for my kids. I have 2 amazing kids. Thank you for my kids. I'm grateful for all of the people in my life and who've chosen to share this life with me. So I've learned to speak gratitude. Not only that, I've learned to tell God out loud, not just write it down, but to tell God out loud, thank you for creating the trees, the stars, and the sky. Thank you so much for my eyes, for my ears. Thank you so much for the rain. Thank you for the sunlight. Thank you so much for the beach and the oceans and for water to drink. Thank you for the ability to walk and to talk and to come on with you guys and share with you. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you who watch these videos that I create on YouTube, here on Instagram, over on Facebook Live. I thank you. I appreciate you. I'm grateful for you. And I thank God for you. Let's keep continuing this discussion. Let's keep creating a wonderful, amazing, creative, and loving family full of gratitude. And the next time you see someone, look at them and say, thank you. All right. See ya in the next video. I'm going to be creating more for you. I love you. Bye-bye.